Hey guys, welcome to an unboxing of Kingston Data Traveler SE9. This is my new channel where I will be doing unboxing and mini reviews of IT gadgets and personal computer stuff. So I would like to thank Kingston for this unboxing unit that they sent to me. This is the original box that it came in with. I already opened it up to check it out, so let's go ahead with the unboxing. Came with a receipt, packing list, Kingston, Taiwan. Need that. And the unit itself. It's Kingston Data Traveler SE9. It's a USB 2.0 pen drive, USB drive. Comes with a let's get a focus, 5 years warranty, and the packaging is pretty straightforward. Everybody knows how to use this, so you have like a mini guide here on how you want to use the drive with your USB port. Let's go ahead with the unboxing then. Give me my trusty scissors here. Alright, cut here. So let's just cut it. Go back my storage. And let's unbox this baby up. Dropped it. It's pretty sturdy, small and sturdy. Yeah, let me focus that a bit. The case is made out of aluminum, I've been told, and doesn't have any cap. So the way you want to use it is just to plug it in straight to your USB port. It is that easy. Small, and you do make them light. So let's have a look on how we should use this on a laptop here. Let's take this off. This is my dongle for my mouse. So should be as easy as this. No protection cap, no anything. Just plug it in. Oh yeah. It does goes well with my laptop here, with a brushed aluminum top and the USB drive aluminum case. Looks really good. I like it. Another feature that I like a lot about this drive is the keyhole here, keyring hole. Because it is built into the case. It is part of the case. Let me focus that. Let's try it on my. I have my house key here. Let's try and put it on. And if you like to take your USB drive around. This should be perfect for you if you like to have an emergency drive wherever you go, because you'll be bringing your keys with you, your house keys or your car keys. And that's it for my unboxing of Kingston Data Traveler SE9 8GB USB storage module drive, whatever you want to call it. Thank you.